Okay, today I'm already late. I have to go first meet up with Saad, he's one of our team member, and then go to the client meeting, so I'll see you soon. Finally reached after like a 45 minutes travel. A small story time. So I had a show called Yummy Tummy TV with a guy named Saad.
Hey, don't do that.
He just woke up. So we had a show called Yummy Tummy TV, and this is literally the room where we used to edit the whole, like literally the whole night till 5 a.m., 6 a.m. How was that time?
I need to change.
Okay, changing for the client meeting. So we finally reached the destination for the meeting. So this guy is taking me somewhere, I don't know where. Let's see. Hi. Okay, the meeting was there. How was the meeting?
It didn't go well.
There. So what do we do now?
We go back to office.
I literally just was kidding. I just asked him to just go to airport road and like I don't know.
Let's go to the airport. I have my plane parked there. We'll go take a ride. Take a fly maybe.
Yeah, sure, if you say so. See, the thing about clients are they want everything in one price. They want like literally like 10, 15, 158 videos for 2000 rupees, and it's like so freaking irritating. And this was literally like the first 5-star hotel I went to. This is like literally my favorite road. Yours?
I have so many favorite roads.
Which?
Church Street is one of the favorites.
Like, look at this place. It's like full of trees. It's so cool. It's like so windy. The roads are nice. What else do you want in life? What else? Except a girl.
Coffee. Coffee, Beku.
Coffee, tea, Kuriana. Coffee, tea.
Tea la coffee.
Tea. Tea. Bro, you're riding, you can't dance. This is so cool. Saad. Saad, when are we starting Yummy Tummy TV again?
Very soon.
Like when?
Like very soon, dude.
I'm tired. I'm like hungry and tired. I want to eat.
Bad news.
Well, for the first time. Anyway, this doesn't work most of the time, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm in the office. I love my office, you know. You know why? You know why?
Why?
Because the sky is so high. Because our office is actually at the sky level. It's in 4th floor, bro. It's in 4th.
Oh god. How many floors more to go?
2 more.
Oh.
This guy goes to gym and is selling
I'm not able to breathe in this mask, man.
Then remove that mask. Nobody's asking you to wear the mask here. Okay, this is what we have in our second floor. It's a spa. It's not open though. Ah shit, you guys were out. Today she's behind laptop.
Thank you, bye.
You saw today's video?
No.
I mean yesterday's video. You should see. Ting! The best time of my life.
Like for everything, this one 158.
Tell no. Talk no. You wanted to talk. It's okay. Today I'm not. So what? Mine has X-ray, but
No, Barapa.
from morning you only today. Bakras.
Morning, yes. Today is my day. Totally.
Of course. What's up? Yeah, what?
See this monster. Aprameya, speak something.
I don't know what to speak.
How many people know
I
that your
should
name
hold
is
my
Aprameya?
own camera if I want to speak.
How many people know that your name is Aprameya?
Not most of them.
Well, there are 7 billion people on the planet.
So at least 158
2 billion people are living in his stomach.
over.
Happens for the best of us. Happens to the best. Media student in Tamacha, she doesn't use camera. Media graduate.
She's behind the camera, no?
Yeah. She's the bank lady.
If she was an acting school graduate, then
Then they don't.
it would have been weird.
It's like being a plumber who's scared of water.
Like did. That. Mud. Chut.
But
Hut. Hut.
See what you're doing.
Hut.
I got enough.
Like I can like, properly see the red. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. She's so much on her phone. Always on her phone.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
Always on her phone.
Map, I'm putting map.
She's putting map itself. See, she's texting and all. Map itself.
Spotify. I'm
Your
pretty
face
covered.
is also not with. So this is where my vlogs ends, like, literally every day. But I don't usually shoot it because I have to lock this every day because I am the last person in the whole building that enters. I am sorry, but I need both of my hands to do this. I don't know if you can like, see me, but yeah. So I think I'll like, literally end this vlog like right here, like now. Bye.